What is up, you guys? Bree here, back with another video, and we have to get into these 30-minute meals. Today we're making Parmesan orzo and shrimp, and it comes together perfectly. Let's go ahead and make it. Start by adding in your clean shrimp to a bowl, patting it dry, and adding in your olive oil, your minced garlic, and your seasonings. Keep in mind, in the description, all measurements and items used will be in the description. Then you want to mix this well and set it aside or put it in the fridge until we're ready to cook it. Start by getting your pot and adding in some olive oil as well as your butter. Allow this to melt together for about 2 minutes over low heat. Next, you're going to add in your minced garlic as well as your diced white onion and allow this to cook until it becomes soft. So maybe 3 to 4 minutes. After your veggies become fragrant, go ahead and add in your orzo. I did use about 2 cups here. You're gonna mix it in well with your oils, your butter, and your aromatics and allow this to fry for 2 to 3 minutes. After about 3 minutes, you can go ahead and add in your chicken stock as well as your seasoning blend. You're gonna mix this together well and allow this to cook for about 10 minutes. After that, let's go ahead and work on our shrimp. For our shrimp, I did go ahead and add in our olive oil to a hot pan, and I'm slowly adding in our shrimp just to make sure that they can all cook evenly on one side before we flip it. I give this about 4 minutes because I do want this to cook 8 minutes in total before we add it to our big pot with our orzo. After cooking our shrimp, I do add this back into the pot with the orzo, juices, and all. After about 15 minutes, I do go ahead and add in my cream, as well as shred in some fresh Parmesan. You can use the bag kind if that's what you have, whatever works, but I feel like this elevates it just a little bit more. I'm gonna mix it in together again, add in my shrimp, and leave this over low heat just to allow the flavors to meld, as well as for the shrimp to get that final bit of cooking. Now, I did forget to add in my spinach, but I definitely believe that getting a serving of veggies would not be a bad thing with this meal. You could also serve it on the side, maybe some asparagus or some broccoli, or if you want to make your spinach separate, you absolutely can. But this came together so quick and easy, and it was super delicious. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. The link to my Etsy shop is also in the description if you are looking for new recipes, whether that's baked goods, quick dinners, or whatever the case may be. Head on over to that as well as my other socials. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.